Parents speak English with kids. Keep your seatbelt on. Keep your seatbelt on. How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? Come here. Come here. Does it fit you or it is too big? Does it fit you or it is too big? You need to eat more. You need to eat more. Don't shout. Don't shout. Don't tease the dog. Don't tease the dog. It's time for your bath. It's time for your bath. Let's make cookies together. Let's make cookies together. Take your feet off the couch. Take your feet off the couch. It's your turn to wash the dishes. It's your turn to wash the dishes. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? Don't run in the house. Don't run in the house. Don't forget your backpack. Don't forget your backpack. It's too late for sweets. It's too late for sweets. Don't cry. Don't cry. Listen to your teacher. Listen to your teacher. Don't worry. Mommy is here. Don't worry. Mommy is here. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your hands. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. Get down or you might fall. Get down or you might fall. Follow Mommy. Follow Mommy. Do your homework before TV. Do your homework before TV. Don't fight. Don't fight. Let's be happy. Let's be happy. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. Put your clothes in the laundry basket. Put your clothes in the laundry basket. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Time for bed, sweet dreams. Time for bed, sweet dreams. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. Finish your milk. It's good for your bones. Finish your milk. It's good for your bones. Eat your vegetables. They're good for you. Eat your vegetables. They're good for you. Please pick up your toys. Please pick up your toys. Don't forget to flush. Don't forget to flush. Here's some candy for you. Here's some candy for you. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Cover your mouth when you cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. Wear your hat, please. Wear your hat, please. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk with your mouth full. Take a sip. Take a sip. No snacks before dinner. No snacks before dinner. Try again. Try again. This is for you. This is for you. No more talking. No more talking. Do your best. Do your best. Be careful with that. Be careful with that. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't play with your food. Don't play with your food. Let's play together. Let's play together. Subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.